Hello, good day. I want to show you how you can use AI legally without being detected by AI. For instance, I have this application to fill MIT Intelligence Science and Technology Initiative. At this point, I was asked to describe my research area, and maybe I didn't really want to start disconnecting by not aligning my work properly. I just moved to uh, my linking where I address my primary research area. I copy this. I move to ChatGPT. I move to ChatGPT. I pasted this my research area here and say use this to answer this question. Describe your research area. Certainly here a published and professional way to describe your research area based on your title. You just describe it. My research lies at the intersection of this. See how he describe it. So what I did is he said, will you like this tailored for a specific audience, like a conference bio, grant proposal, or LinkedIn summary? I said, yes, tailor it to MIT Intelligence Science and Technology Initiative. He does this for me. So what did I do? I copy this. Check out this AI generated. Now, if you happen to go here to check using keyboard to check, if you want to use keyboard to check, if you want to check this here using keyboard AI detector, when you click detect, you see that it detected 100%, meaning that you're copying AI. So you just use AI to align your work very well and get a good idea. So what do? You all you need to do is you just have to paste this somewhere. Look at what AI does. Well, look at the summary that AI gave you. Study it then and rewrite your own without actually copying or dubbing from AI. What you kind of uh, have AI have really helped you to align it well. So see here now the one I was able to write on my own. See what I was able to write on my own. See what I was able to write on my own. Let me paste this where it can be seen. Look at what I've been able to write on my own. You see what I've been able to write my own. If you look at it, if I paste it in my WhatsApp here, you see that I have some grammatical error. If I paste it here, If I pay this my right up here, you see I have some grammatical error which I can really just correct it like this. So I've been able to refine my grammar a bit using this Grammarly. The research area is my research area is artificial intelligence, specifically the application of machine learning, natural language processing, Internet of Things, and Internet of Robotic Things to solve real-world problems. As a senior lecturer in the Federal University, I teach programming courses and other courses related to application of my research area. I apply my research in all areas to address real-world challenges, especially integrating intelligent algorithms into the Internet of Things to solve to improve decision making, environmental sensing, and automation. My current research includes developing IoT-based renewable energy system named IoT-enabled solar bank for empowering off-grid community for sustainable development. I collaborate in disciplinary research and also mentor early career researchers. So if you look at this now, you can see that it's not really a copy and paste, or even if I rewrite it, I did not write with AI English. I did not rewrite with everything AI give me, but rather I've just tried to learn a coordinating pattern from AI. So if I come here now to use my AI, the Scribble AI detector, to try if I actually did the right summary, you can see that it's zero AI. I hope you are seeing it clearly. Uh, you see how it's showing zero AI. So that is the way to use AI to get idea and make a summary, not to copy AI English. So AI can really help you to connect. You know, we are in science. We are not political science people or English department or English. We are not studying English. What we are studying is science. So there are a lot of problems we want to use our science IT to solve. So sometimes we might not really coordinate very well due to so many things we are doing. But AI can just help our brain to connect the prompts you give to him. Now you now make arrange your work properly. You learn from what he arranged for you and now write your own, not just writing AI English. As you can see, because I did this perfectly, it shows you AI. So if you say you write something on your own and it's detecting 60% AI stuff like that, my friend, you copied AI English. Thanks for listening.